Welcome back. Before we start, make sure to subscribe if you want more quick Twilio tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to create an API key in Twilio, a necessary step when integrating Twilio into your app or project. First, sign in to your Twilio console. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left navigation panel and select Admin. From there, go to Account Management and then choose API Keys and Tokens. This is where you can manage existing keys or create brand new ones. Up on the top right, click Create API Key. A small form will appear where you'll enter a friendly name. This is simply a label to help you recognize the key later. Something like server key or website, SMS key. Next, choose the key type. In most cases, standard is what you want. It gives your application the right level of access. The main type is reserved for highly privileged access. So only choose that if you have a very advanced need. Once everything is set, click Create API Key. Twilio will now display your key SID and secret. And this part is very important. Twilio only shows the secret for once. Think of the SID as the username and the secret as the password. Save them immediately in a secure place like a password manager, because if it's lost, you'll have to regenerate the key. And just like that, your API key is successfully created and ready to use in your Twilio integration. If this guide helped you, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!